Morning, guys. Well, barely. It's 12:02 at the moment. Me, Elisa and Isa are all headed out to go to a farm. It's very sunny today, which is very exciting. We're going to go to the farm. Isa's sleeping. My house is a mess, but I thought kids are more important and they deserve to have a good time instead of being bored watching the telly, playing with toys by themselves while I tidy up. So we're going out because it's a lovely day.
You got eyeballs and eyes and a nose, oh, and ears and eyeballs and apples and apples and apples, and eyes and nose and spots. See? You got ears, okay? I need my bike, okay? And so, mommy.
Oh, show me. Let me see. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Nice. How crazy is this weather change? Like, I am actually boiling right now, so I'm taking this scarf off.
Blue, mommy.
What?
It's blue.
What's blue?
Yeah, a yellow one is blue.
Guys, we found a bridge and it's got a beautiful stream here. So should we have a stick race? Yeah, so we both got to find a stick and then we're going to put it in that way. And then we'll see who comes out first, okay? Yeah, we have some sticks, so pick up a stick.
Go.
Mommy's going to pick this one. Which one do you want?
This one.
No, it's stuck. Maybe this one?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we got to do, what do you know what we got to do now? Hello! We've got to throw it in this side. Little man's awake. Yeah, so over here, look where the water is. Did you already throw it? Go and get another one, get another stick. Got one? Good job. Right, mine looks like this and yours looks like this, so are we ready? Yeah. Steady, go. Wow, now we have to wait on this side and see who comes through first. Come on, stand here. Come on, can you see them? Can you see them yet? Whose is that? Is that Mummy's stick? Look, can you see the stick in the water?
Yeah.
Whoa, where's Lisa's one? I don't know where Lisa's one is. Look how clear this water is, it's beautiful. I'm letting Elisa control the walk, so which way do you want to go? We could go this way. Or this way, or we could go back that way. That's where we were just playing, and there's a farm just there and we could go to the farm. Where do you want to go? That way. Come on then, let's go. Don't know where this goes, but we'll find out. You want a drink? I put these glasses on Isa because she's in the sun. Bit of a change in situation. I've brought out the pushchair bit instead of the car seat, and this girl, what are you doing to your brother? the tea room. Elisa's got a, what have you got?
A pink lollipop.
A pink ice cream, mini milk. I've got a cappuccino and
The Mickey Mouse.
also got that. Elisa's got this. And Isa is just chilling there for now. And I'm going to give him some milk from a bottle now. Today was probably one of the nicest days out that I've had. We just sat in the cafe, well, outside of the cafe, because the day is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't believe how nice the weather is. Can you hear Isa? But yeah, Elisa started talking to this little girl, no, this little boy, and they were singing Baby Shark together and then Wheels on the Bus, and she just went and talked to the family like we knew them for like our whole lives. And then when we were walking back to the car, there was this little girl and she was just under 1, and Elisa was making her laugh, running, making her chase her and playing peekaboo with her. It was too cute. But yeah, gotta drive. Got home, picked up a cheeky little frap because it's so hot. Kid is so clingy, like he just wants me to hold him 24/7.
I want them sleep. Want them sleep.
Lisa is currently on the toilet. Isa is chasing his bottle. I'm just lying on the floor editing a video, but I just noticed that the moon is out, and look how beautiful and blue the sky is. Hi guys! We're in Kenilworth Castle today. Where is it? Where's the castle at?
You're not in the best position to get it.
No, it's behind the tree.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire, no more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Shake the mind, speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case.
Just got home. Isa was crying most of the way back, so I stopped and fed him. It's kind of awake. Just so tired. Kenilworth is not very pushchair friendly, and it started raining, so I don't know, I kind of didn't enjoy that as much as I thought I would. But yeah, he's sleeping.
Falling in the